Designing your logo is a big undertaking since logos are essential to your company's brand and your website's overall design. It can be an intimidating process if you've never designed a logo before. Well, if you're looking to learn how to design a logo, you've come to the right place. But first, here's a bit more about us. WebsiteSetup.org is a free online resource for learning web development, design, and WordPress. Our goal is to help beginners create their own websites, blogs, and online stores using the right tools and platforms. To learn more about our review policies and processes, be sure to click the link down in our description box or visit us over at WebsiteSetup.org. With that said, let's get started. Designing a logo is much simpler if you've taken the time to look for inspiration as your first step. This way, you're taking the time to gather various ideas, and you'll know more clearly which ideas you like and which ones you don't. Finding good logo design examples is easy if you know where to look. Check out a website like Under Consideration's Brand New, which consists of a large selection of corporate brand redesigns. There are also websites like Creative Market, which features a lot of inexpensive graphics and pre-made logo samples. You don't have to purchase any of them unless you really want to. The goal here is to look through all of the various assets for sale on Creative Market to get an idea of creative possibilities and just be inspired. Lastly, you can browse through websites like Dribbble, which also have a large selection of beautiful designs and logo examples too. Taking the time to familiarize yourself with various design and graphic concepts will allow you to start your logo design process on the right foot and in a strong direction. Now, picking the colors for your logo design doesn't have to be hard. If you have your brand guidelines already defined, use those colors for your logo. However, if you don't already have predefined branding guidelines or website colors to work with, don't worry. What you'll want to do instead is take some time to research appropriate colors for your niche, industry, and target audience. So if your business is in the automotive industry, targeting mostly older men, you'll want to pick colors that are maybe darker or richer in tone. But if you're in the beauty industry and target a younger, feminine audience, then going for lighter colors, perhaps even some fun metallics, might be a better call. And you can use the same websites mentioned in the first step for your color research. Alternatively, Pinterest is also an excellent source of color inspiration and niche research. As you'll probably notice while looking for inspiration, logos come in a large variety of styles. There are so many different logo categories and types. But the two most important for you would be text-based logos, such as Disney or Google, and symbol-based logos, such as Instagram or Nike. Similar to the color research, you may need to take some time to figure out what kind of visual style would fit well within your website's niche. There's no shortage of places for you to find the perfect font. If you're looking for a free option, you may want to start with Google Fonts. The downside is that their font collection is heavily used by many websites, companies, and designers. If you want a unique font for your logo, consider buying an inexpensive font from a place like Creative Market. They have a slew of amazing custom fonts that will not break your budget. Another alternative is to scour a website like Behance, which has a lot of custom fonts for download. Some of them will be paid, but many of them are free and made by highly talented designers. Now today, there are so many different tools that you can use to design a logo. Of course, some of them are paid, such as Photoshop. However, there are also a good number of high-quality free tools out there. Shopify's Hatchful is a fantastic tool if you're completely stuck or unsure of how to proceed. It'll ask you a couple of questions about your logo needs and provide you with many different options to choose from for your logo's base design. Meanwhile, Squarespace's Logo Maker is perfect for creating a minimalistic logo. And then of course, there's Canva. It's a highly praised free online design tool, and it's great for designing logos. After creating your account or logging in, you'll be met with a blank canvas and a large selection of templates. You can go ahead and jump into the Elements tab, which has a wide range of graphics and icons. Take your time to find the right ones for your design. You can change the colors, position, and opacity of your selected graphic elements as needed. If your logo requires text, head over to the Text tab. In this tab, you'll find various text compositions, and those are really fun because they let you preview and play around with various font combinations and hierarchies. If you have a good idea of your text composition, simply add a heading to your artboard and get styling. A quick note here, unfortunately, getting the perfect logo might take a few attempts, especially if you're designing a logo for the very first time. As with most skills, it takes some time and practice to get good at it. So if you're unhappy with your first attempt, it's okay. You'll simply have to try again. So let us know how your logo design process is coming along down in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. As always, you can get more info over on our website, websitesetup.org. Have a great day, and we will talk to you soon.